Hello everyone, how are you? It's me again, Sai Sai. Yeah. Um, I'm at the park right now again. Well, spending some time reflecting, contemplating of a lot of things. Well, because before I when I watch like my Western movies, I always look at the park, the settings, where there are benches empty, okay, and nobody's there, and I think how it is to be seated on that bench. I like when I go to places like this one. I'll always spend time to sit on that chair. That's really my, I don't know if that is what we call law of attraction. I always have that even in my dreams because I like the serenity. I like the quietness. I like the green and grasses, the trees. Well, now that it's still post um, winter, so there is still no leaves, pero um, they started to come out now eventually. So that's why well, I like spending time alone. I'm also a social person, but there will be times now I like doing it, like just nothing, just feeling the environment. Probably this is what we call grounding. It gives me so much, uh, you know, pleasure, contentment, sort of like that. So now I'm doing it because I have, every time I go to work, I um, pass by a park, an open park. Here in Canada, we have a lot of this in a neighborhood. You can just go there. I think, yeah, Canada is a big country. Okay, there is still a lot of space for everyone. So that's why I like it here. Even though it's cold, but well, for as long as you're wearing your clothes appropriately, well, it's okay. Well, well, I like, you know, remembering how things happened in my life. That before I used to be just dreaming all of these things that I have now, but now it came to reality. Yeah, that's why I'm very thankful. Although life is not always pleasant, not always good, but well, what can we do? That's life, right? But for as long as you have this positive attitude, positive mindset, just like before, I always did things. Of course, I hate to see it my way because I know it's God who allowed me to do it. Okay. Probably it helps also that you are prayerful because when things are not or will not fall into place, you just think that, well, there's somebody up there watching and taking care of you. Oh, yeah. Until next time. Bye bye.